we've got progress. Look at this. The new panel's down here. And this new panel is up here. Check this out. All this going in soon. The whole rear end will be brand new. Looking awesome. We've got no floors. We've got new sides, left and right. Awesome blossom. Looking good. Yeah. This is how the new seal looks. And this is how the new floor looks. There is none. There is no flaw. Fixing up the side rails, as you can see, got new material put in. Fixing up the whole side rail before we put the new floor in. This is before, and this is after. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. One side at a time. This is after. All this is new. Very good. We're gonna continue this here. I'm gonna take these pieces off and rebuild. The rear panel is finally in. Looks not as bad as it used to anymore. All the rot is gone. Morning sunlight is very good for this filming, videoing inside and out. The top panel is not installed yet. It's still here. So interior wise, it's getting done. This is what's been cut out. This was what used to be there and has been replaced. Here's how it looks with the boot down. It looks half alright. The only thing we need to do now is to fix that rear hatch. Once the rear hatch is nicely fixed, then the back end will look complete. Oh, we have a long way to go. Let's hope it happens sooner better than later. Alright. Yes. This is the current update. We are building and rebuilding. So we're peeling off layers and replacing old layers with new metal. This is the rear hatch being refabricated. Every part that needs to be remade is being remade and rebuilt with new skin. As you can see, a lot of replacement. Oops. Okay, 1 second, Marisa, hold on. I've got my kids here with me, so I've got to do this quick. New panel in the rear. The back support brace is in. Everything is solid now. What used to be flimsy is now solid. Very nice. Brand new. So we've had some progress, and the front has yet to be worked on. This was the piece that was removed. So we're working on the bottom of the car and the back of the car.
Daddy, what's the spell? Daddy?
Okay, the saga continues. As you can see, we're working on the rear hatch now, and so we can get this rear part of the car completed. We're going to remove the glass, the rear glass, and cut away all the bad metal so that we can replace them with better stuff. And then I'm going to prime the inside of the metal, make sure that the rust doesn't proceed further. Seal up the rust. We're gonna grind away all the rusty stuff and put some POR 15 in it. Well through anti-rust paint. We also have to treat all these parts already as soon as possible before the rust sets in. At the moment it's exposed, so we've got one guy working, the other guy is on sick leave. That's it for now. Alright, some progress updates with some anti-rust paint over the repaired and exposed metal areas. And as you can notice, the rear hatch glass has been removed to access the rotten corners. This area used to be very rotten, and now it's been replaced with some brand new metal. It was rotten right through, just like how this corner looks like. This is a before look with holes going right through. So this is how rotten the right side was. We'll have to do the same for the left. Can literally poke our finger right through here if I wanted to, but it's not what I'm gonna do. We're gonna have to replace these pieces of metal just like how we did on this side. And the rear hatch is almost done. The rear hatch is complete. Everything required for the rear hatch to be repaired is done. We're now moving on to the body. Bumpers, tail lights, rear cover back in its place. Fuel tank cover surround has been repaired, and other areas which require patching up has been cut and replaced. Doors has been straightened and adjusted. Roof patched up, not entirely but almost. Rear hatch is complete. Bumper test fitted. Everything looks aligned. Moving forward. We're getting progress. Okay, more progress and more updates. We've got the front left and right rocker panels, inner rocker panels, as well as the floorboard fully made up. Both left and right side floorboards are done. Going in today. In preparation to replace the side sills for them left and right. Let's go. Okay, here we go. More progress on the Series 1 240Z. We've got all the carpets literally removed, but more importantly, we have cleaned up the floor and removed the rocker, the rocker, and opened up the firewall on the soon-to-be driver's side. Massive amounts of work going into this. Whew. Amazing. We've got to rebuild that frame rail, bring it back down, and come across to this side. And then we've got all this that has been removed, which will be rebuilt with the new panels that we have here. Panel A and B. Yep, good stuff. We're gonna come right here. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, this is some scary stuff. Another problem is this. We've got to remake this as well for the tension rod. Oof. Scary amounts of work. This is how it looks on the front. Massive rod. Okay, some early morning updates. We're sealing in the rocker, the car's rocker. We've got this guy wedged in now. Double layer, 2 layers of it here. You can see it clearly right here. Got some wire wheeling done here to remove some of the surface rusts, and I'm gonna tackle that soon. Small progress, slow but progress nevertheless. I've got the right hand drive steering rack here as well. Power steering will be added to this car, and that's the original left hand drive steering wheel. So this is the right hand drive steering wheel. Yes, it is of a Volvo 240. Alright, the floor pans are sitting here waiting to be fitted. Alright, seeing it for the first time after over a week. And here we go. Left side floorboard has been installed. Had some progress. Good stuff. Let's have a look at it. Yes, we can now get in. Very nice. Fully installed. We've got the seat rails back in as well. Floorboards welded in. Cool. Very cool. Alright. Left side getting done. And the bottom frame rail has been remade and installed all the way to the back. That's some good support right there. Awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. We've got it grafted in. Very cool. Nicely done. Happy days. Work has begun on the right side. Since the left side is complete, we have to rebuild this, make this better than before. What seems like a lot of work will be handled with care and completed very quickly. More 240Z progress. Firewall been created. Frame rail connected. And then knocking away. We're knocking away. Knocking away at it. Pieces being made. Very good stuff. Wow. Good stuff. Very good stuff. Coming along. Glad to see this happening. We can rebuild it. We can rebuild it better. Tension rod bracket on the floor. It's gotta be put back here. Gonna be all re-welded. Very good stuff. Solid as can be. As solid as can be. Nice. Hammering away so that this guy can fit in. Here we go again. Right side floorboard is finally in. The interior cockpit driving area of this car is finally done. Of course, we have to seam weld it instead of just spot welding. Nice. We've got to rebuild the seat rail. And here's another very satisfying part that is coming together very nicely. The tension rod bracket. Spot welded in its place. We've got to build it up so that it's fully covered and fully strong. Structurally as strong as this side. Okay. Progress. Good progress. Alright. We are working out on the right-hand drive conversion at the moment. As you can see, driver side floorboards, seat rails, everything is in. And I'm going to put this, which is my right-hand drive conversion plate. Gonna place it where it needs to be soon. The template is perfect. I'm gonna move a bit of a few body tabs for the brake hoses. This tab here, gotta move that, and then we'll be ready to put in our master cylinder, clutch pump, as well as steering rack rod where it needs to be. So a lot of good progress. And a lot of things need to be moved. Very exciting. Alright. Till more progress gets underway, I'll leave him to it. Alright. Further updates. With the driver's side seat fitted. If y'all, the keen-eyed people, will notice there's a steering wheel in there now. Okay, it's a lot of progress. Everything has been sealed, welded in permanently. Very solid, very nicely. Even the tension rod bracket is also permanently in there. And we've got our right-hand drive conversion plate installed. Got the steering wheel in there and the driver's seat. For the first time, we can actually sit in the car. We're also getting further frame and rust repairs done. On the passenger side now, we're almost getting there already. We're almost there. Seat rails are in the passenger side, formerly known as the driver's side because it's a left-hand drive car. All the necessary repairs from rust done, and we've got our steering shaft installed, albeit a bit skewed to the right side, but it's something that is expected. We need to adjust it. So for the first time we can actually get in the car and have a seat in it. And just like that, we're in it. We're in the car. I've got to bring a dashboard to line this up through center, because at the moment it's not through center, and we need to make it through center, directly towards my chest. Clutch pedal, brake pedal, all installed. Steering wheel mounted. It's looking good in here. Overexposure from the sunlight, but you get the idea. A lot of progress has been made. Moving rapidly in this car. It's good. Very good. Very happy with it. It's coming along very well. Okay, to the next update. Hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, this car's bodywork is completed. Now we are waiting for it to get some primer on, and then we will take it away. Once the primer goes in, the car is out of the body shop. Check this out, man. Steering wheel, right hand drive conversion, done straight. Fenders are back on. It's now a right hand drive. Steering rack is loosely fitted. Everything is, oh my goodness, exposure is not so good. Hold on. Yes! Everything nicely done. Suspension all back in. Bonnet is back up. Bumpers in. All done. All done. All done. From left-hand drive to right-hand drive. Everything has been ground back down. Seat will be refitted in. Got new rockers, as you have seen. Dashboards fitted. Car's almost ready to be shipped out of here. Alright, to the next stage, the end. Okay guys, so this is the conclusion of the Z. It's about day 90 of the entire body restoration process. So it's exactly 3 months from the day that it came here that it's finally finished, completed with bodywork. And at the moment we're transporting it back to the workshop to assemble the steering so that we can steer the car, probably build the dashboard as well, transfer all the left-hand drive meters into the right-hand drive meter, and then I will build the back dashboard. Steering wheel will be in. I'll put an electric power steering in there, and yeah, this car is on its way. So this will conclude the part 3 process of the refurbishment of the 240Z, Series 1 240Z. The paint color has already been confirmed. I'm going to respray it back to its original factory color, which is the mustard color. And yeah, this car looks good now, solid. Can't wait till the time it reaches the next workshop, the next stop. I will give you a update then. Wow, I can't talk. It's too early in the morning, man. Can't talk. Because my brain just went full retard, I have deleted the voiceover. I have deleted the recording with the video, and I'm doing a voiceover. So all the parts are inside the 240Z now, Series 1, and all these parts are going back to the workshop. I will be, you know, whatever that came to the body shop is actually going back to the workshop. So nothing is left behind. I will not bring the car back here. The job of the body shop repair guy is 100% done for this car, and we're moving forward. Here we are in the workshop. Okay, so the car is safely in the workshop now, and we're gonna build the steering rack and build the dashboard. That's what is the next agenda on this build. We will install the Volvo steering rack here. At the same time, I will outfit the right-hand drive dash because it is now empty. It's a blank slate. It's a blank 240 dash, which requires everything from the original dashboard to be fitted before I rewrap it. At the same time, this car is waiting for paint. Okay, this concludes part 3. Thank you, bye.